Hey everyone, it's Hirsch from Game Marketing Genie, and on this episode of Game Marketing Academy, we're going to discuss influencer marketing. We're going to be covering what influencer marketing is, why it can benefit the growth of your game, how you can implement influencer marketing properly, and what to watch out for when doing influencer marketing campaigns. Particular to gaming, influencer marketing has seen a huge growth with the establishment of platforms such as Twitch and YouTube. On YouTube, you have massive influencers such as PewDiePie, for example, and on Twitch, you have influencers such as Ninja, who are able to generate more revenue than many rap stars. Influencer marketing at its core is borrowing the authority and emotions people attach to a certain influencer and using that to strengthen what your brand communicates. Influencer marketing is not only an important channel to get your product in front of people, but it also benefits your brand by attaching it to the influencer. And this means that all your other advertising campaigns are going to be more successful because of this influencer presenting your product in a certain way. An example being, if I were to run into an ad by an influencer I respected and then later get delivered an advert of your game, I'll be much more likely to buy it at that point because I've seen someone I respect playing it. Ideally, you want all your influencer marketing campaigns to be a win-win situation for both of you. If you're actively marketing your game, suddenly it becomes a hotter commodity that influencers want to jump on top of because there is a growing audience for that game, which could result in a growing audience for them. Show them the win-win and they're much more likely to side with you. On top of this, it can also lead to other influencers completely free of charge and organically wanting to create content about your game because you're actively promoting it. One of the primary things to watch out for when running any influencer marketing campaigns is your brand safety. Influencers are human beings, and so they make mistakes. If they make these on stream, it can be very harmful to a brand. This can be avoided by making sure you partner with influencers who have a longer track record, influencers who are professional and very aware of their audience. Remember to stay very specific with who you engage and the terms you set in the contract you have with the influencer. For example, if your game isn't one that suits a market that would swear, that you don't want to be perceived as a game where people are taking substances, even alcohol, then you need to be very clear in your contract that these behaviors are avoided. A well-fitting influencer can drive traffic, interest, and brand authority at several multiples for the same cost per person as a larger influencer that isn't as well suited to your game. You need to ensure that they would actually enjoy the game you're putting in front of them, because when they share their honest opinion, you need that to be positive. So remember, influencer marketing is getting more and more important in the gaming industry today. And it is absolutely crucial that you maximize the value you get from it. At the same time, always stay cautious about your brand safety. Always partner with influencers that come across as trustworthy, professional, and diligent. Good luck with your influencer marketing campaign.